You are watching Kids Education.
Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education TV. In previous video, we have learned fruits name like apple, orange, banana, dragon fruits and many more. So now in this video, we will learn about vegetable names. So are you ready to learn? Let's start. Cabbage. What is it? Cabbage. Cauliflower. What is it? Cauliflower. Brinjal. What is it? Brinjal. Chili. What is it? Chili. Capsicum. What is it? Capsicum. Tomato. What is it? Tomato. Ladyfinger. What is it? Ladyfinger. Lemon. What is it? Lemon. Beetroot. What is it? Beetroot. Carrot. What is it? Carrot. Broccoli. What is it? Broccoli. Sweet potato. What is it? Sweet potato. Potato. What is it? Potato. Cucumber. What is it? Cucumber. Fenugreek leaves. What is it? Fenugreek leaves. Spring onion. What is it? Spring onion. Spinach. What is it? Spinach. Dill leaves. What is it? Dill leaves. Coriander. What is it? Coriander. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Keep watching Kids Education.